Hi, I'm James Quirk with Inkish TV, and I'm speaking to Arnd Riekenbrauck, who is the head of sales for converting and web at IST. Arnd, thank you very much for your time.
Hi, James.
We are here at Creation Reprographics in the UK, who is a big partner of Fujifilm, and they distribute Fujifilm plates. Now, IST and Fujifilm have a close working relationship as of recent years. Could you tell us a little bit about how that relationship began and what the purpose is for you?
Yeah, of course, James. First talks we had 4 or 5 years ago, and it came out of the idea to make life for printers easier, to bundle products as a solution. And in this spirit, we created the combination of LuXtream and CureMax printing inks to allow printers to install UV LED with inks that works optimal together without any hassle or trying or longer trial phases.
So you mentioned LuXtream. This is a technology that allows a converter to switch between conventional curing and LED curing on the same machine. Is that correct?
Yeah, LuXtream consists of different curing devices. We have the LED solution, but we have as well the conventional solution, because the market today shows that it's all about the application. You have printers, they have receipts from a couple of years ago. They don't want to revalidate for LEDs, so they use a conventional system. And you find a lot as well the application of varnish that needs to be cured at the end of press with a conventional system.
So useful for a converter who doesn't want to fully upgrade a machine to pure LED curing. They can have the option to still use conventional curing on older jobs or jobs that require it. What are specific applications that benefit from LED curing over conventional, would you say?
So what we see generally is that there is a strong tendency to use it with line work. You can reduce the necessary energy factors below what you need today. And we see as well the tendency that varnishes at end of press stay with conventional curing system. What I have to emphasize here is that we, in combination with a digital solution, which we call Smart Cure, we are able to digitalize the entire curing process with a machine preset with JDF data, where you can send your curing data necessary for the ink with a pre-press setup to the machine. This compares to nowadays situation where generally the UV dryers are switched on 100% and have no control over the relation of the necessary energy to the curing of the ink. This is a revolution in curing.
And are you seeing more interest generally from label converters in LED curing over conventional?
The interest is pretty high in the moment, and as you see a consolidation of the markets globally, we see the potential savings, especially for larger groups acting globally, in using the right curing technology for the right application.
What kind of savings can a converter expect to make if they switch from conventional to LED?
So the standard retrofit, I'm talking about the combination with CureMax inks, gives you curing pretty above 80% of the electricity you use today.
You're seeing more and more interest in LED. You have a new development as well called FreeCure. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, okay, so LED inks need photoinitiators. They are multifunctional initiators in a low migration formulation. As FreeCure, as an ideal combination, doesn't need any initiator. FreeCure is a UV system where the electromagnetic energy is so high that we are able to cross-link molecules directly without free initiators. And that is definitely a revolution, especially for the packaging business, where we see with the German ink regulation, Swiss ordinance, from the regulatory side, but as well as reach a big pressure on photoinitiators as a chemical class of ingredients in a printing ink.
So what are the benefits specifically about that technology, would you say?
It allows you to formulate your inks without initiators, and when you have no initiators inside, they cannot migrate outside. We are in the very beginning of this technology, having cooperations with ink manufacturers, testing, trying, but the results are more than promising, and we are fully convinced that we can revolutionize UV curing, especially in food packaging.
Interesting. And more generally, Fujifilm is you must see a great deal of potential in the sort of retrofit market. There's a lot of sort of legacy presses, older presses using conventional curing. Do you see a lot of opportunity in persuading converters to retrofit LED curing on top of instead of existing conventional?
Absolutely, absolutely. It's definitely interesting for any printer running label presses to make up his calculations, and Fuji, as a global supplier present in almost every continent of this world, is able to provide service and solutions on a global basis.
Arnd, thank you very much indeed for your time.
It was nice to meet you, James.
Thank you.
Thank you.